I love Timezone!
Today I'm here to welcome you to the newest home of fun and excitement in the heart of the commercial business district of Ortigas. Timezone Robinsons Galleria.
We're really excited because it's a great store, great offer. Everything is here. All the top games are here. So please enjoy this facility.
We at Robinsons Malls, we are thrilled to have the largest time zone in the Ortigas Center to open with us here in Robinsons Galleria. It will surely complement our mix of offerings for the mall.